to another video of money cuts. Today I got a really quick video I'm gonna make. It's gonna be these bricks right here, the Yeezy Citrin. I know you guys can't see that well, but these are the Yeezy Citrin right here. I got a size 11. I was gonna do a personal, cause since they break so hard, I was gonna might as well keep them. But I'm gonna end up selling them to a homie. I give them I give him a super steal, huge deal. Even though they're not going for much, he's still getting pretty much for retail. But he's a homie, so I'm hooking it up with for him. It's just rushed because he's on his way. He's gonna be here in 10 minutes, so I just got him in like an hour ago. So I just wanted to make a quick video. But these are the Citrin. You guys can't tell that much because there's not a lot of light. But they're pretty much like tannish with like a little bit of green. But they are pretty nice. I did try them on since he was gonna get them. I asked him if I can try them on. He said, yeah, it's cool, bro. But these are Citrin, size 11. Here you go. Pretty nice pair. Honestly, they don't look that good in pictures, but in person, it's a whole different story. So if you guys don't like him in like on pictures and everything, go to the store if you can find them. I definitely think you will like them in person a lot more. But overall, pretty clean shoe. It does have this like brownish tan over here, which reminds me of the frozen yellow, but wish I had more light. But this is it for now. I'll do some little b-roll just inside my house because it's currently 10 p.m. No, not 8 o'clock, so it's dark. Here you go. Really nothing much to say. I don't know what to say. It's a pretty clean shoe. I'm surprised it didn't go for more, but then again, it looks similar to a lot of other colorways. So this is probably gonna be a really short video, but I just wanna make sure I get this out for you guys if you guys are wondering what the shoe looks like. So I bought this off of Foot Locker. I was able to get a pair from Foot Locker. It's my first W from what's it called, the foot site, because they're always crashing and crashing, but somehow I got lucky enough to get through it. So if you guys wanna see my method of how I'm getting through these websites, make sure you leave a comment down below and like this video and let me know you guys want to see that, because I think I found a method. Even though there's people that have been talking about it, I don't think they explain it as well as I do, or I feel like I could. So if you guys are wondering how how I get through them, make sure you like this video. Once again, leave a comment down below, and then please subscribe because it means a lot. We're almost at 100 subscribers. We're like 30 subscribers away. So yeah, and then make sure you follow my reselling page at Money Cuts. I'm posting a bunch of steals lately. But yeah, keep up. There's a lot of steals coming, a lot of great content on the way with a lot of shoes that are coming out. I wasn't able to do a Supreme Lacoste video because I was just super busy that day. But last few, and then I'll do a B-roll real quick, and then hope you guys have a great day. Peace.